This very program is being organized by Worthy Zonal Education Officer Kakapura. The moment has arrived when we can formally commence this very program, and our Worthy Zonal Education Officer Kakapura along with Zonal Education Planning Officer, they are gonna grace this very gathering with their kind presence, and we hope they will be here. And yes, our Worthy Zonal Education Officer Kakapura and Worthy Zonal guiding and supportive officer. Thankful to our worthy Zonal Education Officer Kakapura and Zonal Education Planning Officer Kakapura and his ministerial staff that they have graced this very occasion. Formally start this very today's program, that is felicitation program of National Merit Main Scholarship Examination Qualifiers of Zone Kakapura. So after welcoming our guests, now I would like to invite Zia Tariq and Sadia Iqbal to formally have the mic and start the today's program.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to all respected dignitaries, beloved teachers, proud parents, and our shining stars, the NMMS qualifiers of Zone Kakapura. I am Sadia Iqbal and I am absolutely thrilled to be your host today for this celebration of excellence. But I am not alone on the stage. With me, someone whose energy and charm light up every event, my co-anchor and dear friend Zia Tariq.
Thank you, Sadia. That was too kind. And let me tell you, if grace and eloquence had a face, it would be her, Sadia Iqbal. A student who not only excels in academics, but also brings heart to every word she speaks. Together, we will be guiding you through this beautiful journey of celebration, inspiration, and pride. So sit back, smile wide, and let's begin this memorable day at MMAD GMS Pinglana, honoring the achievers of the National Merit Main Scholarship Exam 2025 of Zone Kakapura.
Today, we gather to celebrate the brilliance, dedication, and the success of our young achievers who have qualified the National Merit Main Scholarship Exam 2025 from Zone Kakapura. This is not just a ceremony, it's a tribute to hard work, dreams, and the power of education.
Indeed, Sadia, and what better way to begin this auspicious occasion than by seeking blessings from the Almighty Allah. Now let's invite Vicer Alam from 8th standard for Tilawati Kalami Park. May the divine words guide our hearts and minds.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وإذ قال إبراهيم لأبيه آذر أتتخذ أصناما آلهة إني أراك وقومك في ضلال مبين وكذلك نري إبراهيم ملكوت السماوات والأرض وليكون من الموقنين فلما جن عليه الليل رأى كوكبا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال لا أحب الآفلين فلما رأى القمر بازغا قال هذا ربي فلما أفل قال
We invite two ex-students of MMAD GMS Pinglana who qualified NMMS this year to share their journey and words of encouragement.
National Merit Main Scholarship which I have qualified. We got some guidance classes 3 days before the examination. I want to give you a suggestion that this school is very good and the teachers of the school are very highly qualified and educated. So please come and admit yourself in the school so you can make your future bright and beautiful. Thank you and have a nice day.
It's me Safiatul Alma and I am the ex-student of this very school, and I am very thankful to those teachers who prepared us for this examination, that is National Merit Community Scholarship, that I have qualified.
Now we invite Ghulam Hassan Mir sir to speak, share his perspective on this proud moment and the importance of supporting children's education.
काबिल कदर जोनल एजुकेशन ऑफिसर, जोनल एजुकेशन प्लानिंग ऑफिसर, इज्जत माब असातिज़ा साहिबान, प्यारे तलबा व तालिबात, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम सब यहाँ जूम को एक अरूज बख्शा, एवज बख्शा, ये हमारे लिए खुशकिस्मती है।
Let's honor our NMMS qualifiers with certificates and mementos. We request our dignitaries to kindly come forward and do the honors.
Now, I would like to request our worthy Zonal Education Officer Kakapura, sir, please come on this very place. Worthy Zonal Education Planning Officer, come on this very place. HOI of the school, Mr. Zamir of the Road, sir, on this very place, and our dedicated, energetic, and always on toes, Mr. Tawfiq, sir, on the, this very place, to give these mementos, or I would say, certificates and medals to the meritorious students. Samina Fayaz, PM Shri MS Kakapura, my ex-student, big hand for her. Samina Fayaz, PM Shri MS Kakapura. A big hand. Okay, she was from PM Shri Kakapura. Now we have another student. जो इसके बाद आएगा यहाँ पे मुसद्दिक बशीर, गवर्नमेंट एचएस नियामा, मुसद्दिक बशीर। इसके बाद मैं नाम लेना चाहूँगा लुबना बिन्त लतीफ का, वो तैयार रहे वहाँ पे। लुबना बिन्त लतीफ, गवर्नमेंट एचएस पाओ। लुबना बिन्त लतीफ, please come on this very place on the podium to receive your certificate and the medal from worthy Zadio Kakapura and Zadipio Kakapura. Please round of applause. आपके हाथ नहीं रुकने चाहिए, encouragement होनी चाहिए. Now we have our ex-student Afreen Makbool. She has topped Zone Kakapura in terms of marks. Afreen Makbool, ex-student of MMAD JMS Pinglana. Please give her a big hand. Our another ex-student of MMAD JMS Pinglana, Safiatul Alima. Please big hand for her. Dr. Safiatul Alima. I would like to ask the other our respected officers to have their seats, but our worthy Zadio sir has to be here. He has to definitely encourage us and guide us.
HOI and staff members of GMS Pinglana, team escort us and HOI from various schools of Zone Kakapura, other teachers, guests, and dear students. It's a matter of pride and honor that we all are here today to celebrate this occasion, where our shining star have, by making us proud, have cleared national merit community scholarship examination, and this is really a moment of joy and happiness for all of us. This is not a really a moment to just distribute certificates, medals or awards. This is more than that. We are actually here to glorify the future of Kakapura. We are here to validate the hard work and dedication of our brilliant students, and we are here to celebrate the vibrant and bright future of Jammu and Kashmir. This today's program has some multiple backing. This is actually a three-dimensional excellence. I can say that this is triangular excellence. Finally, before leaving the stage, I would like to compliment this gentleman, Tawfiq Ali, for all his hard work, for all his dedication. ये हमारे जोन में जोनल कल्चर कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मुझे लगता है जितनी भी हमारी मेजर एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, मेजर क्रूशियल एरियाज हैं, उनके ये जोनल नोडल अफसर भी हैं। और जिन भी एक्टिविटीज़ को इन्होंने ऑर्गेनाइज कराया है, आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस नाउ डेज की जितने भी हमने काम किए हैं, चाहे वो 15 अगस्त का कल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ थी, चाहे उल्लास प्रोग्राम था, चाहे हमें ये साइंस एग्जीबिशन या मॉडल एग्जीबिशन थी, या फिर ये नेशनल इनकम स्कॉलरशिप, देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोग्राम्स। और हर प्रोग्राम में जो जोन काकापुरा है जो वो टॉप पे रहा, और इसका मेजर क्रेडिट दैट गोज टू मिस्टर तौफीक अली, जो इनकी डेडिकेशन है। और फॉर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल हिम ऑन स्टेज एंड जस्ट appreciation from our zone for just his hard work and dedication.
Please have a big hand for the gentleman that is Mr. Tawfiq Ali sir. For the guidance, for the encouragement, for the inspiration, our sir is for the whole zone. As I already mentioned that it's the whole family of schools. और सर का हमेशा यही रहता है कि हर स्कूल जो आगे चल रहा है, यानी एक स्कूल जहाँ पे भी डेडिकेटेड है उनकी हौसला। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर फॉर दैट।
Thank you, sir, for your motivating words. As we approach the end of this beautiful celebration, we now call upon our respected head of the institution, Mr. Zamir Abdul Rauf, sir, for the vote of thanks.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalatu wassalamu ala sayyidil anbiya'i wal mursalin Nabiyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. It is indeed a moment of great pride and privilege. We gather here to felicitate the meritorious students who have qualified the National Mean Community Scholarship. On behalf of the entire office of Zadio Kakapura, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to each one of you who contributed to make this event successful. So first and foremost, I wish to place our records on deep gratitude to our chief guest, Zadio Kakapura, Mr. Riaz Ahmed Malik Sahab, along with the Mir Sahab Zadio Kakapura, for taking a precious time out of their busy schedule to grace this ocean.
So today's felicitation ceremony to all the achievers, may this be the first of many milestones. To the teachers and parents, thank you for being the guiding light, and to every present, your support makes all the difference. Thank you for being the part of the celebration. Let's continue and build until like time. Allah Hafiz.